Michael Jackson's brother Randy speaks out at the wrongful death trial. It focuses on the pop star's history of drug abuse. And Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez was in court for today's testimony.
When Michael Jackson was living at Neverland Ranch, he was struggling with prescription medications and, according to his brother, was in denial.
He just said he's fine. Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm not going to go.
Okay. So he just said he was okay.
Mm-hmm.
Did he seem okay?
At the time, yes. But
so you didn't think did you think he had a problem at the time?
Yes.
In a video deposition, jurors heard Randy Jackson describe 4 intervention efforts at the Santa Barbara home and as many as 3 others in a New York hotel, Jackson's home in Las Vegas, and in the rented house in the Holmby Hills within months of the star's death. Randy Jackson stated it was this woman, Grace Ruwamba, the children's nanny, who called and notified him of trouble several times. Randy described an early intervention attempt where the Neverland gates were open and he and other siblings walked in.
I told him I was taking him to rehab.
And what did he say?
He said he's not going.
Right.
Randy Jackson says the attempts at Neverland happened between 2000 and 2004, that on one occasion he and Sister Janet took professional addiction specialists with them.
I told them that there had been prior attempts to get him help, and we weren't successful.
Jurors learned from earlier testimony that Jackson was seeing several doctors during that time period, including a doctor who implanted a device in him to combat the high delivered by opioids. Randy Jackson said that in 2005, Michael was under the influence of something and collapsed. Randy said he called a doctor who was able to revive him. The attorneys for Catherine Jackson, who is suing tour promoters at AEG, says they do not dispute Jackson had struggled with dependency, but they blame Jackson's death on the AEG tour promoters who they claim hired Murray. AEG says Jackson's history reveals he endangered himself.